Guys, I'm making a new video. Okay, that you already know that. Anyways, it's my tornado lamp from a few months ago, and something's different about it. I think nothing's different about it, but you might be wrong. Because we got soap in it. See? You see in the top right here, we got a hurricane going on. It looks blue on the camera, but really it's green. Wait. It looks like it's blue. If you want blue, here's blue. And now we got purple. I'm gonna keep it blue. I'm gonna keep it green. So let's put the top back on. Now you know that there's soap inside of it because I mentioned it. And look at this. If we do this, it's like condensation inside. It also gets pretty dark. So, time to adventure inside of the world.